Resources. Anything which can be used for satisfying the human need is called resources. Natural resources are resources that exist without action of humankind. Some example of natural resources are sea. Sea is the best example for natural resources. Argentina district is the place which has rich natural resources. Natural resources are obtained from environment. Natural resources satisfy daily needs of man such as food, cloth, and shelter. Natural resources also contribute immensely to boost up a nation's economy. Natural resources can be divided into two types. Basic of origin. Basic of origin can be divided into two types: biotic resources, abiotic resources. Basic of renewability. Basic of renewability can be divided into two types: renewable resources, non-renewable resources. Biotic resources. Biotic resources are found in the biosphere which are obtained from living and organic materials. Example: forest, animals, birds, fish. Abiotic resources. Abiotic resources are the non-living parts of an environment. Example: land, water, air. Renewable resources. A renewable resources is a resources which can be used repeatedly and replaced naturally. Example: solar energy, wind energy, hydro energy. Non-renewable resources. Natural resources that once consumed and cannot be replaced is called non-renewable resources. Non-renewable resources can be divided into three types: metallic resources, non-metallic resources, fossil fuel resources. Metallic resources. Metallic resources are the type of resources that are composed of metals. Example: iron, copper, gold, silver. Non-metallic resources. Non-metallic resources can be described as the resources that do not comprise of metals. Example: mica, limestone, gypsum, phosphate. Fossil fuel resources. Fossil fuel resources are normally formed from the remaining parts of dead plants and animals. Example: coal, petroleum, natural gas. So, save the natural resources like sun, air, water, soil, and forest.
Importance of resources. Natural resources satisfy daily needs of a man, such as food, clothing, and shelter. Natural resources also contribute immensely to boost up a nation's economy. On the basis of renewability, resources can be divided into two types. They are renewable resources and non-renewable resources. A renewable resource is a resource which can be used repeatedly and replaced naturally. Wind energy. Wind power is a clean energy. The wind turbines of the windmill are rotated by the wind, thus converting the wind energy into electrical energy. Tamil Nadu has become a leader in wind power in India. At Kanyakumari district, Muppandal wind farm produces the total capacity of 1500 megawatt electricity. It is the largest wind power plant in India. Hydropower. Water is considered as a great source of energy. At present, water is used for producing hydroelectric power. Hydroelectricity is generated from moving water with high velocity and great falls with the help of turbines and dynamos. In Uttarakhand, the Tegari Dam is the highest dam in India, which generates about 2,400 megawatt electricity. Mettur Dam in Tamil Nadu generates about 120 megawatt electricity. Geothermal energy. Geothermal energy is a thermal energy generated by the heat stored inside the core of the earth. Using the long pipes, heat is pumped out from the deep underwell of Earth's core. The steam rotates the turbine, which activates the generator to produce the electricity. Tidal energy. The motion of seawater, which causes a tidal changes of high and low sea level, leads to produce the electricity. Tidal generators are designed to produce power when the rotor blades are turning in either direction to produce electricity. Solar energy. Sun emits its energy as heat and light. A black surface absorbs more amount of heat. Photovoltaic device or solar cells directly convert solar energy into electricity, thus supplying the electrical energy to the residential dwellings. On the same basis, solar water heater converts the cold water into hot water. Kamudi Solar Power Project is the 6th largest solar power project in the world. It is situated in Ramanathapuram district in Tamil Nadu. Non-renewable resources. Natural resources that once consumed and cannot be replaced is called non-renewable resources. Iron, copper, bauxite, gold, silver are the metallic resources, and the fossil fuel resources such as coal, petroleum and natural gas. Generally, it took 650 millions of years to convert the dead plants and animal waste into these fossil fuels. The rate in usage of fossil fuel is higher than the period of time it took to form. If this is going to be continued, the fossil fuel will run out completely within few years. So let us use the public transport like metro train, buses to minimize the usage of fossil fuel and carry out the natural resources for the future generation to come.